One of the weekly preventive maintenance checks on the PM schedule is to check the single head detection switch and its target. This switch determines if the robots are too close together to operate simultaneously. If so, the machine is put into a single head mode where only one robot at a time will operate. First, e-stop the machine, then access the robot enclosure. This should only be performed by trained personnel following the GED procedure for accessing the enclosure. The person making access must retain the key while inside the enclosure. Check the switch bracket to make sure it's secure and not damaged. Carefully move the floating head towards the fixed head until the sensor is over the sensing bracket. Verify the light on the sensor goes off when it is over the sensing bracket, and it turns on when it is not.